Hey there, so you're the proud owner of a shiny new drone and you're all set to soar through the skies. But before you take off, you might be wondering, what accessories are essential for my new drone? Well, let me tell you about a game changer, the compact hard case. Trust me, once you've had one of these, you're not gonna wanna go without it for your drone. They're so nice. It's perfect to store a smart controller, your drone, batteries, charging hub, and any other essentials you might need to keep your flying experience smooth. And the best part, it's a steal at just $39.99. So go ahead and protect your investment in style with this must-have accessory. I'm telling you, you're not gonna regret it. $39.99. That's it, short and sweet. Check it out. I will leave a link to this below. If you guys could please like and subscribe, and see you next time.